In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download data from Google Cloud Storage using 3 different methods, catered to various user preferences, whether you favor a click-through interface, a command line control, or even programmatic access. Let's start with the first method, which is ideal if you're dealing with a small number of files and prefer a straightforward graphical approach. This method uses the Google Cloud Console. Now, don't worry if you're not a tech wizard, because the web interface makes downloading files a breeze. First, you'll need to open the Google Cloud Console in your web browser. If you're not already signed in, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, you want to navigate to the Storage section in the menu. Under Storage, you'll see an option labeled Browser. Go ahead and click on that. This will present you with a list of all the storage buckets you have access to. Once you've spotted the bucket containing the files you need, simply click on it to open it up. You'll see a list of all the objects stored in that particular bucket. Find the specific object or file you wish to download and click on it. By doing so, you'll trigger a sidebar to pop up on the right-hand side of your screen with all the details about that object. At the very top, or perhaps nestled within the options, there'll be a download button. Click this to start downloading the file directly to your local computer, where you can safely save it in your desired location. This method is quite user-friendly, especially for those who are new to Google Cloud Storage or prefer dealing with a more visual interface. However, it does have its limitations in terms of managing larger volumes of files, or if you need automation capabilities, which we'll cover in our next methods. But for now, if you need a quick point-and-click way to get some files, then using the Google Cloud Console is a fantastic option. Whether you're managing just a few files under deadlines or simply wanting to manually back up important data, this web interface method should serve you well. Remember, ensuring that you have the necessary permissions for downloading files and double-checking that you are signed in with the correct account will help avoid any hiccups along the way. Once you get the hang of this procedure, downloading from Google Cloud Storage will become second nature. Stay tuned for more methods to suit your specific needs and preferences in our upcoming videos. If you have any questions or need support, feel free to explore Google's resources or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and happy downloading.